Today, we're covering the Slide Master feature in PowerPoint, a great tool for saving time and keeping your slides consistent. It controls the overall design of your presentation, like fonts, colors, logos, and layout, all in one place, saving you from having to edit each individual slide to achieve consistency. To open it, go to the View tab, then click on Slide Master. Now you're in a special editing mode. On the left, you'll see a list of slide layouts stacked under one main slide at the top. The top slide is your master slide. Any changes here will affect all the layouts below. For example, if you add a logo to the bottom right corner, that logo will be added to every slide automatically. If you change the font style or color, that updates the rest of your slides. This ensures consistency across your entire deck. Need specific layouts? Click on any of the slides underneath to customize them. For instance, adjust your title slide to be aligned on the left. These will become the default options when you insert a new slide during your presentation. Note that changes made to the slides under the master slide will only affect those individual slides. If you want to change across your whole PowerPoint, such as changing your font choice, you have to do that in the master slide. When you're done, click Close Master View. Now, when you insert a new slide, your custom layouts and styles will appear automatically. No manual formatting needed. Slide Master is a huge time saver and makes your presentations look polished and professional. Give it a try, and stay tuned for more Tech Tip Tuesday videos.